Everyone's talking about Odoo's new manufacturing apps, but after seeing it implemented in dozens of businesses, I need to tell you what they don't advertise. Today, we're giving you the honest breakdown of where it works, where it falls short, and the hidden costs they often leave out. In this video, we specifically cover Odoo's manufacturing suite. But if you're new to Odoo, here's the quick rundown. It's one of the most popular open source ERPs, now competing with giants like Oracle and SAP. But unlike those all-in-one systems, Odoo is modular. You only use the apps you need and add more as you grow. For a full review, check out our video from last year or head over to softwareconnect.com. And don't forget to subscribe to be notified when we release our complete Odoo breakdown. Odoo offers a dedicated manufacturing module and shop floor app that handles multi-level bill of materials, work orders, and production scheduling. Think of basic MRP tools like Katana or MRP Easy. This app is pretty similar to their entry-level programs, but it rarely runs alone. You almost always want to pair it with modules like inventory and sales and add on the quality, PLM, or maintenance apps for extra functionality. Together, these make up the Odoo Manufacturing Suite, which already covers more than what many generic ERPs come with out of the box. That leads us right into one of Odoo's biggest strengths. It's modular and flexible. You can start with a manufacturing app to track and schedule jobs, and if you need inventory or accounting, just add the appropriate application. It's that easy. It's also open source and highly customizable. Though we usually don't recommend altering the source code in ERPs, we actually have a whole video on why that's a bad idea. But Odoo is built around that premise. So if the basic manufacturing modules aren't cutting it, you can customize it yourself or pay an Odoo partner to create one for you. Another advantage of Odoo is its active community and massive app marketplace. For DIYers, there are hundreds of online tutorials along with a passionate community that will provide you with any tips you might need. Chances are someone else has faced the exact same problem and they've already have steps to solve it. If you can't solve it yourself, there's an entire marketplace of custom configured apps that can extend Odoo where its standard features fall short. While we'll get into the hidden costs later, here's the bottom line. You can start with a fully functioning production scheduling and BOM tool for free if you only use one app. And if you want the whole suite, you'll only pay a low monthly fee to start. Of course, that's the upside, but what don't the demos show you? The first drawback is the free app is really just marketing. While it's technically true, and we did just tell you one of Odoo's strengths is its free app, we rarely see companies run it alone. Most eventually need additional applications or custom development to meet their needs. For example, the manufacturing app can generate a work order and track your bill of materials, but unless you're also running the inventory app, the system has no idea whether you actually have enough materials in stock. You'd be right back to checking spreadsheets, completely defeating the purpose of a central ERP. Another thing to keep in mind is that Odoo's production planning and scheduling tools are pretty basic. You can set up a master production schedule, forecast weekly or monthly demand, and assign jobs to work centers, but it falls short in advanced capacity planning. If two jobs overlap on the same machine, it won't automatically reshuffle them, and there's no built-in finance scheduling or promise to deliver capabilities. For a small shop with just a handful of jobs, that's often perfectly fine. Planners can make adjustments manually, and it's a huge step up from Excel. But once you're running multiple lines, have tighter deadlines, or need accurate delivery dates, most companies add third-party tools or move to systems like Epicor or Infor. There's also the question of production types. Odoo started out focused on discrete manufacturing, the process of assembling parts that could be taken apart again. With versions 18 and now 19, they've added more support for other industries. Process manufacturers can scale ingredients by batches and apply expiration and quality checkpoints, and engineer-to-order companies can link designs and cost to projects and manage BOM changes. Still, Odoo falls short for advanced requirements. There's no recipe management for potency-based formulas, and for ETO manufacturers, it lacks CPQ tools and native CAD and PDM integrations. The last consideration is upgrades and support. Odoo releases a new version every year, which is great for keeping the platform modern. But if you've customized it, those upgrades can break. And with Odoo, the responsibility falls on you to maintain the source code. Unless you have an in-house tech team, that usually means paying extra. Now, Odoo does offer what they call, quote, success packs, but those are designed to help with the initial implementation. They don't cover long-term upkeep, and we often hear that their industry expertise can be hit or miss. That's why we recommend working with one of Odoo's partners or VARs. They not only handle the setup, but also keep the system stable through the annual upgrades and align with your business growth. If you aren't sure if the success pack or a partner is right for you, or just have a complex manufacturing needs, reach out to us at softwareconnect.com. We work with experts who know manufacturing and can help you get started. Let's dive into Odoo's versions next. The Community Edition is completely free and open source. You can download it yourself and customize it however you want. The only downside is you don't get accounting. And support is entirely up to you, which works for startups and highly technical teams. The one app plan gives you unlimited users for a single app, but it's really just a marketing hook. The second you add inventory, quality, sales, or accounting, bam, you're in the paid tier. The standard and custom plans list at about $31 to $47 per month, though Odoo often promotes discounted pricing that brings them closer to the $25 to $40 range. For example, 20 users on the custom plan, that's about $9,000 a year. Not bad at all, especially considering NetSuite can run 5 times as high. But here's the catch. The real cost is implementation and support. Smaller projects might land in the $15,000 to $25,000 range, and complex rollouts can easily hit 6 figures. Odoo's own success packs for small businesses start at the low thousands and climb up to $25,000. But most manufacturers find that they're too shallow for complex setups and often require a partnership with an Odoo developer. Compared to lightweight MRPs like Katana or MRP Easy, Odoo can feel expensive. But compared to enterprise ERP suites, it's still a bargain. The setup and support fees are similar, but Odoo keeps annual commitments low and makes support optional. Where you'll find the real savings is if you got in-house technical talent or the time to do it yourself. If you're a small manufacturer or startup, absolutely. The low cost and modular setup make it one of the easiest ways to move off spreadsheets and learn how ERP software works. For mid-sized companies, Odoo can be a strong option if you consider the hidden costs. If you want to keep the price down, expect a long DIY implementation. If you want something more plug and play, you'll need to budget for a developer. And if you're a large, highly complex manufacturer, Odoo can still work, but you'll likely spend more time and money on customizations than you would with an ERP built out of the box for your industry. Bottom line, Odoo manufacturing is flexible, affordable, and powerful for its price point. It covers the basics well, but lacks advanced capabilities of traditional manufacturing ERPs. So if you're looking to test out Odoo or compare it to other systems, we can help. We'll connect you with vetted Odoo partners, suggest more out-of-the-box systems, or find a manufacturing ERP that fits your exact needs. Just reach out to us in the description below to get started. We're excited to hear from you. If you want to learn more about manufacturing ERPs, check out our video on the top manufacturing systems for 2025, and like and subscribe to get alerted on our next full breakdown of Odoo ERP. Thanks for watching.